up, YouTube? D4G here in the spring. You know what this is reminding me of? Nice aquatic citrus feel. El Cilio by Armaf. First Instinct together. I take that back. Hawas. Ha. What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, today we got a subscriber's request on Najdia by Lattafa. Let's see what it's about. All right, so before we get started, gotta give a shout out to all my new subscribers, man. Welcome. Over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. What up with you, man? Hope everything is good. All right, so this is coming per request from, I know Daniel for sure, because he was asking for a while for this one. And there was a couple of more people that was asking about this. So let's go ahead and get into it. And let's see what this is about, man. Is it as great as, I don't know, but we just about to get into it. So I gotta get this. I ain't even unpackaged all this yet. So we gotta get that off of there real quick. Now the box is very plain, man. I can't do nothing with this. So y'all already know. We gotta just go ahead and get straight to the juice. Let's see what's inside. I see two things on the inside. So it came with a deodorant spray here. It just says perfume spray right there. I hope y'all can see that. The last time this came, one of my Lattafas came with it. It was a deodorant spray, but this one says perfume spray. So I'm guessing that might be a little so I might be able to get at the Jaden for bedtime. But as far as the bottle itself, hold on. Okay, not a bad looking bottle. Now this is plain. I don't know, like it's almost the same as Afnan 9 p.m. I don't know, that leaf right there ain't doing it for me. But you know, we don't care nothing about that. Let's just look at the juice. Got Lattafa at the top. Concentration and stuff right there at the bottom. Got this flower up front, man. I don't know what it's gonna be like. And the juice is kind of clearish. Yeah, man, let's just go ahead and see what this is spraying on. You can smell something right there, but not too much. All right. So y'all already know when y'all get these, the first thing you gotta do is just spray that bitch up, man. Let it get out of there, cause sometimes these be having alcohol in them. In the spray. Hold on. Hey, hold on, man. This right kind of smell familiar, man. Let me get my strip real quick, cause you know I need a strip. This smells familiar, fam. Hold on, man. Is that Invictus Aqua? Hold on. Let me get a. One more. God, oh, this smells like something I can focus with here. Hold on. Let's give it a whirl twirl real quick. Bro, I think this is like an Invictus Aqua clone, man. You know what this is reminding me of? This is reminding me of, outside of Invictus Aqua, because it is Invictus Aqua, but if you have a couple of Middle Eastern fragrances, El Cilio by Armaf, it's reminding me of that one. It's also giving me hints of like First Instinct together. I'm definitely gonna tell y'all what I pick up, but those were the first two things that came to mind. Like I'm getting an Invictus Aqua clone. Let me see. Okay, yeah, this has to be an Invictus Aqua clone, fam. I'm really getting like a lot of C notes mixed with some citrus up top. So it definitely has like an aquatic nature about it up top in the opening, mixed with some citrus. Bam, I really do think that this is an Invictus Aqua clone. Now I will say this doesn't smell as strong in the initial opening as El Cilio. Let me go get the bottle, because I might be pronouncing that wrong. Give me a sec. Okay, so the fragrance that I was talking about was El Cilio by Armaf. It smells similar to this one. Hold on, I got another strip right here to the side. Hold on, we're gonna spray these two and see. But yeah, man, I do like it. Don't get it twisted. I rocks with it. I like it a lot. Understand that. But I just got a couple of Invictus Aqua clones that that's like my fourth one, fam. Y'all know I rocks with Paco Rabanne, man. Shout out to the Invictus gang, you know. Let me see real quick. So this is El Cilio. Okay, hold on. Okay, El Cilio, Najdia. Okay, so in El Cilio, it has a little bit more brightness up top. I might do a comparison a little bit later, but El Cilio definitely smells a lot more bright. It has a lot more brightness than Najdia. But Najdia has this one note in it, man. I don't know if it's the aquatic feature that's in it, but it has one note that just has a lot more depth in it, whereas El Cilio has a lot more of a citrus type opening. No, it actually has much more of an aquatic type opening. I apologize, I had to smell it again because you got two of them that's almost the same. Yeah, okay, and then Najdia has this brightness that's in it. Man, I'm gonna have to look this one up real quick. I'm also getting like a little bit of a lavender feel. You know what? Hold on, fam. Hold on. I kind of want to spray this again. I take that back. Okay, so I apologize. Because once you spray it for a little while and you just kind of let it, the initial opening is definitely high on citrus and aquatic. But once that lavender comes out, this thing has an Hawas-like feature to it. I would like to say Hawas now. Yeah, fam. Yeah, man. This is more like Hawas. I take that back, El Cilio. You can go back where you was, man. I appreciate you, my boy. I appreciate you, my boy. I appreciate you. Nah, man, this is more like Hawas, especially after you let it go away from the initial opening. It don't take long. Like, give it like 2 to 3 minutes. You're gonna start getting reminiscence of Hawas. This is Hawas. This is just like Hawas. I might have to do a comparison with them two later because the lavender is super bright in this. I might go get Hawas real quick and spray that one. Hold on, let me see. Damn. And I done got 3 tester strips for this one. I'm only doing one with this. Okay, so the opening is definitely different. The opening is not the same as it is in Hawas, but I'm telling you, man, after those first couple of minutes fade away, those first 2-3 minutes, this is reminding me of Hawas. I like it though. I like it. This is a nice one, man. I'm rocking with this. Shout out to Daniel and everybody else. I'm sorry. I just remember Daniel was the one that was telling me about this a lot. Like, I just remember he was on my neck about it. So shout out to my God, man. We finally got it. I appreciate the recommendation because I do like this, man. This is nice. This is very nice. Nice aquatic citrus feel. Like I said, some lavender in there. Might even be like ambery in the dry down because it does starting to have like a little, not a darkness to it, but you can get that amber feeling as it's hitting the dry down. Let's check the notes on this now. Let's see what it says. So up top, we have lemon, cinnamon, lemongrass, apple, and bergamot. Damn, that's a lot of citrus. Okay, I can smell the apple. I can pick up the apple. I wouldn't have, now the apple is nowhere near as strong as the aquatic and all the citrus notes that you're getting. And the cinnamon isn't there either. So I would say the apple and the cinnamon aren't as heavy up top. It's more so of an aquatic citrus up top. And then in the mid, you got watery notes, lavender, rosemary, and cardamom. Watery notes and lavender. I told y'all that aquatic feel is up there. And then in the base, you got amber, musk, tobacco, cedar, and sandalwood. This bitch got tobacco in it. Ooh, I'm kind of eager to see the dry down on this one now. Okay, man, I'm not even gonna hold y'all time. This is a go though. This is a green bean. I'm rocking with this one. I'm gonna give it a couple of wears. Not right now, because it definitely got cold here in Texas, man. It was like 40 degrees today. I was bundled up and everything, beanie on. Shit, it was cold. But yeah, I'm definitely rocking with this. You can already smell the tonka bean coming out some, but as far as everything else, I'm gonna definitely have to give it some wears. But first impressions for me, yes sir, man, that's a green bean, man. I'm gonna have the link in the description. I got this from Triple Traders, I think. I think it was under 20 bucks too. 100 ml bottle. I like this though. I'm gonna definitely do a comparison between this one, Hawas, El Cilio, and First Instinct together. Yeah, man, this is more like Hawas than anything. I like this. I'm gonna do a comparison with these and let y'all know what I think, but about which one might be the best. But as far as first impressions, that's a green bean, man. That's gonna be a hit for the spring and summertime, especially during those high heat situations. I like what I got, man. I'm happy with that one. Shout out to my guy Daniel again and everybody else who told me to check out Najdia. For some reason, I think my guy Red from the Caribbeans told me to check this one out as well. Red told me a couple of fragrances, so shout out to my guy Red Mango again, man, because I got to get some more. He told me like 2 bottles again, so I got to get those too. But this one right here is a go. I like this one a lot. I'm going to have a link in the description if y'all want to check it out. This is definitely B.O.B. safe, under that $20. Well, it was, like I said, it was around $20, but you know the B.O.B. threshold is around 30, 40. I might just keep it at 40. This is a good one, man. Shout out to everybody who suggested it. Hey, I like it, man. Y'all know what it is, man. We about to get up out of here, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But with all that being said, I hope y'all have a great day, man. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, man. D4G, truly blessed. That's there for greatness. Ha! We out.